Okay. Is it the screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
So in the last lecture, we see that if A and B are the algebraic element over K, okay, in K are algebraic over F of degree m and n respectively, and if m and n are relatively prime numbers, then f of AB, the degree of f of AB is mn over f. Okay, so the next theorem is every finite extension K of a field F is algebraic and may be obtained from F by the adjunction of finitely many algebraic elements. Okay, एखादा algebraic extension असेल, sorry, एखादा finite extension असेल, if K is the finite extension of F, it may be obtained from the by adjunction of some elements to the field F. Okay, this is we have to prove now. Okay, look at here. Okay, so proof. Let if step number one. Step number one, if degree of K over F, okay, if degree of K over F is equal to 1, then obviously K is equal to F. Okay, then result is obviously holds. Then the result is obvious. Okay, now look at it. If this is the field F, okay, and this one is the F of A, okay, this one is F of AB, okay, this one is up to so on f of a b up to so on k. Okay, wait a minute. No, this one is f of a b up to so on the small k. Okay, this is the element small k, and this one is the capital K. Okay, if step one, if k, the degree of k over f is equal to 1, then k is equal to f, then the result is obviously hold. Okay, now if the degree of k over f is equal to n, which is greater than 1. Okay, so let a be the any element, a, b, and arbitrary any element, arbitrary element in K. Okay, but not in F, but not in capital F. So suppose this is A, which is belongs to K, but not in F. Okay, since K is a field, capital K is a field. Okay, and A belongs to capital K. This implies the n plus 1 element, n plus 1 elements 1 a square up to so on a raised to n minus 1. Okay, and a raised to n. These are the n plus 1 elements. All are in the field capital K. Okay, why? Because K is a field. Now, since the dimension of K over F is what? N. Since the dimension of the vector space K over F is what? It's n. Okay, so this implies the above n plus 1 element, n plus 1 elements. Okay, these n plus 1 elements are linearly
Dependent.
dependent. Okay, these are the linearly dependent. Okay, over the field F. Okay, so this implies there exists an element, there exists an element alpha naught, alpha 1, up to so on, alpha n belongs to F, capital F, not all 0. Why?
Linearly dependent.
Dependent. Okay, such that alpha naught into 1 plus alpha 1 into a plus alpha 2 into a square up to so on alpha n into a raised to n is equal to 0. So this implies a is algebraic. A is algebraic over the field F. So hence K, the capital K, okay, is an algebraic extension. Algebraic extension of F. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, so what we have to do now? Algebraic and may be obtained from. हा K कशापासून obtained होत आहे? By finitely many algebraic element by adjection. Okay, by adjection of these finitely many algebraic elements. If you join to this F field, okay, then that K is equal to what? F of A, B up to so on K. Okay, म्हणजे हा तुमचा K म्हणजे काय एक्सटेन्शन केलेला F चा जो एक्सटेन्शन आहे K हा इक्वल कोणासोबत येईल या F ला फायनाइटली मेनी एलिमेंट आपण जॉईन करायला हवे. ओके, आणि ते कसे असायला हवेत? फायनाइटली मेनी algebraic elements. Okay, now step number 2. Now to prove that the finite extension K, capital K of the field F is obtained. Okay, हा K हा अल्जेब्रिक झाला आता इथे. स्टेप 1 मध्ये काय प्रूव्ह केलंय? In the step 1 we have proved that K is algebraic extension of F, and in this second step we have to prove that the finite extension K of F is obtained by the adjection of finitely many elements. Okay, so in the step 2 we have to prove that the finite extension K of F. Okay, त्याला रिझन काय येईल? पुढे अजून एक स्टेटमेंट येईल. दिस इम्प्लाइज एव्हरी अल्जेब्रिक एक्सटेन्शन इज फायनाइट एक्सटेन्शन. नाही, ते प्रूव्ह करायचं आपल्याला. ओके, okay, so in the step 2 we have to prove that the finite extension K of F is obtained by the adjection of finitely many algebraic elements. Okay, wait a minute. Now we know that F is a field. Okay, now here the F is a field is contained in F of A. Okay, and which is contained in capital K. Okay, look at here. F is contained in F of A, and F of A is contained in capital K. And also we know the degree of K over F is what? N. Okay, so therefore this N is equal to now here the K F of A is the subfield of K and F is the subfield of F of A. Okay, by the transitivity of finite extension we know that we have degree of K of K over F of A into degree of F of A over F. Okay, give it as an equation number 1. Okay, Now, if degree of this f of a over f, okay, suppose this one, okay, degree of f of a over f is n, then what is the value of this one?
1.
1. So degree of k over f of a is equal to 1. Okay, if degree of k over f of a is equal to 1, what it implies? K is equal to f of a. Okay, then the result is proved. Okay, if degree of k over f of a is equal to 1, then k is equal to f of a. Then result is proved. Okay, so what we have, that is k is obtained by adjoining by adjoining a, the element a, to the field f. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now suppose if degree of f of a over f, okay, this one is not equal to n. Okay, then suppose then suppose degree of f of a over f is not equal to n. जर not equal to n असेल तर then आपण काय assume केलं, suppose the degree of f of a over f is m, which is less than n. Okay, hence the equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes what we have, n is equal to equation 1, n is equal to degree of k over f into m. Okay, so n is equal to degree of k over f of a, okay, into m. Now since a is not belongs to what, f, okay, a is the not the element of a, okay, a is the element of in k, so this implies the degree of f of a over f is equal to what here, काय assume केलंय, m which is greater than काय येईल 1. If suppose a belongs to f असेल तर काय येईल, degree of f of a over f is 1 येईल. Okay, but here the a is not belongs to f. This means that the degree of f of a over f is m, which is greater than 1. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Since, okay, so from 1, the degree of k over f of a, this is n, this is m, m is greater than, sorry, m is less than n, and m is greater than 1. Okay, so this implies degree of k over f of a is greater than 1. ओके, हा तुमचा n आहे, हा तुमचा m काय होतो, ह्याला डिवाइड करतो, डिवाइड करतोय म्हणजे काय होईल, समजा हा जर 1 झाला तर काय होईल, याची डिग्री किती येईल, मग n येईल ना, पण इथे काय म्हटलंय आपण, f ऑफ a डिग्री ओव्हर इज नॉट इक्वल टू n. ओके, कळते का काय सांगतोय,
Yes,
if
sir.
this is n, this is m, okay, degree of f of a over f is m, okay, and this n is greater than mi. Okay, look at here. Okay, this implies m is the divisor of n. Okay, m काय करतोय, कोणाला डिवाइड करतोय, n ला डिवाइड करतोय, म्हणजे m हा कसा असेल, ग्रेटर दॅन 1 तर आहे, दिलेला आहे आपल्याकडे आहे, मग हा काय येईल, डिग्री ऑफ k ओव्हर f ऑफ a इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दॅन 1. Okay, so let the degree of capital K over f of a is equal to r. Okay, तुमचा इथे f आहे, this is f of a, okay, and this one is capital K. ओके, जर हा जर 1 झाला तर काय होईल, हे दोन्ही कशी होती, इक्वल होतील. But here, degree of k over f of a is greater than 1. Okay, and suppose that degree is r. Okay, मग अशा वेळेस काय करणार? Now take another element b belongs to k. Now take an element, okay, b belongs to k, but not in f of a. Okay, म्हणजे हा तुमचा b कुठे असेल? Okay, so b belongs to k but not in f of a. Okay, so then we can show that we can show that show as above. Step number 1, just step number 1 मध्ये काय प्रूव्ह केलंय? a is algebraic over f. Here b is algebraic over f of a. Okay, then we can show that as above that b is algebraic over f. Okay, that's definition. Okay, by step number 1, instead of a, we can show that the element b, okay, is algebraic over f. Now this implies a and b are algebraic are algebraic element over the field f. Okay, so this implies f of ab is algebraic extension. Whatever the algebraic extension and finite extension case असतात ती every algebraic is finite and every finite is algebraic. Okay, so here f of ab is finite extension of f. Okay, now now similar process, degree of f of ab, okay, over f. Okay, now here the f of ab is the finite extension of f. It means that the degree of f of ab over f is any finite number. Suppose that the degree is p. Okay, where what we have, p is greater than what? M. Okay, why? Because f of a is proper subset of f of ab. Okay, आता काय होणार? f is contained in f of a is contained in, एक एलिमेंट ऍड केलं ना आता, f of ab which is contained in k. Here f of a is properly contained in f of ab, but f of a, degree of f of a over f is what? M. Okay, then what we have? Degree of f of ab over f is what? P. So this implies p is always greater than what? M. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
कळतंय कसं येतोय हा? ओके, नीट पहा, किचकट आहे थोडं पण लक्षात येईल. पहिल्यांदा असल्यामुळे जरा अवघड जाईल. डिग्री ऑफ एफ ऑफ ए ओव्हर एफ इज व्हॉट? एम. Okay, but b belongs to k, not in f of a. Okay, and this is algebraic over f, and degree of f of a over f is what? p. Okay, पण b हा कोणामध्ये आहे तुमच्या? f of a मध्ये नाहीये, पण k मध्ये आहे. That means f of a, the degree of f of a ab over f is what? P, and this p must be greater than m. Okay, this reliable. Okay, so because f of a is the proper subset of f of ab. Now we have n is equal to degree of k over f. Okay, which is equal to, this implies n is equal to degree of k over f of ab, okay, into degree of f of ab over f. Okay, आता हा कसा येईल तुमचा इथे f of a. Okay, this one is f of ab, this one is k. Okay, so degree of k over f is n we have, okay, by the transitivity, degree of k over f of ab into degree of f of ab over f. So this implies n is equal to degree of k over f of ab into what is this one, p. Okay, if again, if p is equal to n, if p is equal to n झाला तर काय होईल हा, the degree of k over f of ab is equal to 1. Okay, this implies k is equal to f of ab ला हा equal येईल. Okay, then result is proved. Then result holds. Okay, or proves. If p is not equal to n असेल तर, if p is not equal to n, then we may continue. मग काय करणार पुन्हा तुम्ही इक्वल नसेल तर, take element any element c belongs to k not in f of ab such that this c is algebraic over f. ओके, पुन्हा ही प्रोसिजर रिपीट करत द्यायची कुठून इथून. Then we can show that the c is algebraic over f, then a b c are algebraic over f, then f of abc is finite extension of f. Okay, then f of abc over f is समजा q असेल and q is greater than p now. Okay, now f of ab is contained in proper subset of f of abc. Okay, ही प्रोसिजर रिपीट करत जायची अशीच. Then we may continue the above process, to finite number of times. Okay, till we get the degree of f of a b c up to so on, this is small k over small k over f is equal to n. जोपर्यंत ही स्टेप फॉलो येत नाही, कोणती स्टेप, ओके, जोपर्यंत हा तुमचा p इक्वल टू n, समजा तिथे काहीतरी q r s असे येतील एलिमेंट, ओके, तोपर्यंत काय करायचे, till we get f of the degree of f of a b c up to so on k over f is equal to n. Okay, so then n is equal to degree of k over what, f. Therefore n is equal to degree of k over f of a b up to so on, this one is small k, okay, into f of a b up to so on small k over f. Okay, then n is equal to degree of k over f of a b up to so on k into this one is n. Okay, so this implies the degree of k over f of a b up to so on small k is equal to what,
1.
1. So this implies k is equal to f of a b up to so on small k. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, हा तुमचा के जो आहे, शेवटचा के जो असेल मोठा, सगळ्यात मोठा के, हा काय होईल, एफ ला काहीतरी फायनाइटली मेनी एलिमेंट्स, अल्जेब्राइक एलिमेंट्स काय करावे लागतील, ऍडजॉइन करावे लागतील. ओके, So this is the proof of the theorem where here where A, B up to so on small k are algebraic are algebraic over F. Okay, so we prove that hmm, every finite extension k. Okay, this one is k, largest field of F, so extension of F. Okay, is algebraic and may be obtained by adjoining finitely many algebraic elements. Okay, any doubt up to this here?
No, sir.
Okay, समजते ना काय चालू आहे?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the ring theory, we seen one theorem. Which one? Look at it. हा या theoremचा use आपल्याला पुढे होईल. Okay, which one? Theorem. An ideal. An ideal, yes, of commutative ring R. Okay, capital R with unity. With unity is maximal ideal. Is maximal ideal. Okay, this S is an maximal ideal if and only if the residue class ring residue class ring R divided by S. Okay, that is quotient ring is a field. Okay, if suppose this S is maximal ideal of R, then R by S is a field. If R by S is a field, then this S is the maximal ideal. Okay, so by using this theorem, we have to prove the next theorem. Okay, which one? Look at here. Good. Next theorem. Okay, look at this one. Let capital K, okay, be an extension of field F. Be an extension of a field F. Okay, and A belongs to capital K. The algebraic over the field F. Then prove that F of A, okay, adjoin that element. Which one? This element to that field F. Okay, then F of A is isomorphic to F of X divided by V. Okay, नीट लक्ष द्या बरं का, महत्वाचं आहे खूप ठेवा. Adjoin this element A to the field F, then we get F of A is isomorphic to F of X upon V, where what is V? V is an ideal of capital F of X. Okay, generated by the minimal polynomial for A. Minimal polynomial for A over F. काय सांगतो ते नीट लक्ष द्या. Let K be an extension of field F. Okay, look at here. This is suppose small f. Okay, smallest field, and this one is capital K. and A belongs to what? K. Suppose this is the element A belongs to K. Is algebraic over the field F. Okay. Now adjoint this element to the F. So we get F of A is the subfield of K. Okay. And what is V? This F of A is isomorphic to F of X upon V, where V is an ideal generated by, okay, ideal of F of X generated by the minimal polynomial of A. Okay, समजा हा A चा हा मिनिमल पॉलिनॉमियल आहे P of X. ओके, A चा हा काय मिनिमल पॉलिनॉमियल. हा, वी नो दॅट एव्हरी मिनिमल पॉलिनॉमियल काय असतो, हा इररिड्युसिबल पॉलिनॉमियल असतो, तो रिड्यूस होत नाहीये या F of X वर. Okay, if A P of X is the minimal polynomial of A, then what it have? P of A is equal to 0. Okay, P of X काय तुमचा minimal polynomial of A, and what is V? V is an ideal generated by the minimal polynomial of A. Okay. म्हणजे काय? For example, suppose this is the set of real number, the field. Okay. Now इथे मला एलिमेंट घ्यायचं विच इज आयसोमॉर्फिक टू R of X, हाच आहे ना F इथे. R of X divided by, suppose my ideal generated by x square plus 1. Okay, my V is what? X square plus 1, ideal generated by x square plus 1. So whatever be the root of this element, this polynomial. What is the root of this polynomial? काय येईल याचा रूट? हा मिनिमल पॉलिनॉमियल आहे, इररिड्युसिबल पॉलिनॉमियल. Okay, that means it is irreducible polynomial. What is the root of this one? X square plus 1 is
plus minus I.
plus minus I म्हणजे I येईल. Okay, and adjoint this I to the this way I. But what is R of I? Set of
C.
complex number. म्हणजे हा तुमचा फील्ड काय असणार? आता हा काय म्हणतोय तुम्ही? हा आयसोमॉर्फिक आहे आणि हा फील्ड आहे, म्हणजे हा पण कसा असायला पाहिजे? मग आपण काय करतो, फील्डच असायला पाहिजे. ओके ओके, समजते? सी समजा हा क्यू आहे तुमचा. ओके, इट्स आयसोमॉर्फिक. एक्झाम मध्ये असा क्वेश्चन येतो. इट्स आयसोमॉर्फिक टू डॅश डॅश काय येईल?
Q root 2.
क्यू रूट टू. ओके, 3 असेल, काय येईल? क्यू रूट 3.
Q root 3.
काय हार्ड आहे? जर त्याला माहिती असेल तर पटकन आन्सर देता येईल. ओके, पण बघताना काय बघायचं, हा पॉलिनॉमियल इररिड्युसिबल आहे का बघायचं, म्हणजे मिनिमल पॉलिनॉमियल आहे का, हा रिड्यूस होतोय का क्यू वर, हे पण चेक करायचं. जर रिड्यूस झाला तर नन ऑफ दिस हे पण ऑप्शन येईल. ओके, तो बघ फील्डच होणार नाही मग. ओके, वेट अ मिनिट. Look at it. Let K be an extension of a field F and A belongs to K is algebraic over F. Then prove that F of A is isomorphic to F of X upon V, where V is an ideal of F of X generated by the minimal polynomial for A over F. Okay, हे महत्वाचं बरं का. मिनिमल पॉलिनॉमियल म्हणजे काय असायला पाहिजे? एव्हरी मिनिमल पॉलिनॉमियल इज इररिड्युसिबल पॉलिनॉमियल. ओके, तो चेक करा, तो फक्त पॉलिनॉमियल जो आहे, जो V जनरेट करतोय. ओके, V मध्ये जो पॉलिनॉमियल आहे तो मिनिमल असायला हवा. ओके, नाउ लुक ॲट द प्रूफ. लेट P of X be a minimal polynomial. for A over the field F. Okay, so this implies P of X. What? We know that every minimal polynomial for A is an irreducible polynomial. So is reducible. Okay, irreducible polynomial. Okay, so let this capital V is equal to ideal generated by this P of X. What is the nature of this set is H of X is equal to, okay, P of X into G of X, such that G of X belongs to capital F of X. Okay, any doubt? आपण आधी
No,
हेच
sir.
okay, ह्याला एक नाव दिलं H of X. So ideal generated by P of X is the this one H of X, so that G of X belongs to capital F of X. As V is ideal. Okay, as V is ideal generated by irreducible polynomial. Okay, irreducible polynomial. So this implies capital V is maximal ideal. Okay, maximal ideal of capital F of X. Okay, irreducible असेल तर तो मॅक्सिमल असतो. रिंग मध्ये पाहिलं आपण रिंग थ्री मध्ये. So this implies if V is maximal ideal, then we have F of X divided by V. This is quotient field. Okay, this is a field. Okay. Step number 1. Let us define a mapping. Okay. आपल्याला काय दाखवायचं आयसोमॉर्फिक दाखवायचं आयसोमॉर्फिक दाखवायचं असेल तर आपल्याला एक तर 3 स्टेप आहेत एक तर होमोमॉर्फिक ह्याच्यामध्ये असा एक फंक्शन एक्झिस्ट व्हायला पाहिजे जो 1 ऑन्टो आणि होमोमॉर्फिझम असायला पाहिजे किंवा बाय युजिंग फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल थेरम ऑफ आयसोमॉर्फिझम ओके व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल थेरम लेक्चर नंबर 1 ग्रुप थेरी फर्स्ट आयसोमॉर्फिक थेरम every
G
homomorphic
is isomorphic to G upon kernel of.
very good. Kernel of R म्हणण्यापेक्षा every homomorphic image of a ring or a group is isomorphic to some quotient group or quotient ring. Okay. So using that first isomorphic theorem, we have to prove this one. Okay. So first one, define in the first step, define. Let us define a mapping. Let us define a mapping. Okay, psi from capital F of X to the field F of A. Okay, adjoin this A to the field F by कसं डिफाइन केलंय psi of ह्याच्यातला प्रत्येक एलिमेंट कशा टाइपचा असेल P of X ओके और F of X is equal to F of A. आणि यातला हा जो आउटपुट आहे F of A हा काय असेल कॉन्स्टंट असेल आणि हा कॉन्स्टंट म्हणजे काय असेल त्या फील्ड मधला एलिमेंट असेल ओके एनी डाउट अप टू हियर
No, sir.
so now this is psi of F of X is equal to F of A for all F of X belongs to capital F of X. ओके एखादा मॅपिंग जर आयसोमॉर्फिक दाखवायचं असेल तर ऍटलीस्ट वन मॅपिंग एक तरी मॅप आपल्याला असं डिफाइन व्हायला पाहिजे जो 1 ऑन्टो आणि होमोमॉर्फिझम असायला हवा ओके किंवा quotient group. Okay, sum of the quotient group or quotient ring. ओके असाच का घेतला म्हणून पुन्हा तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडेल असाच का घेतलाय कारण की हा मॅपिंग हा एक्झिस्ट होतो जो होमोमॉर्फिझम पण आहे ओके तुम्ही दुसरा मॅपिंग डिफाइन करूनही करू शकता तो मग तो तुमचा रिसर्च असेल ओके सो हियर दिस psi of F of X is equal to F of A. Okay, first prove that this mapping is homomorphism. Okay, psi of F of X plus G of X is equal to what we have put instead of x, a. Okay, by the definition of mapping, f of a plus g of a. Okay, so this implies what is f of a? Psi of f of x plus psi of g of x. Okay, now the second one, field आहे इथे तुमचा. ओके, दोन दोन मॅपिंग आहे तिथे, प्लस आणि डॉट होमोमॉर्फिझम दाखवत असेल तर साय ऑफ f of x into g of x is equal to f of a into g of a by the definition of this mapping. What is f of a? Psi of f of x into psi of f of g of x. Okay, so this implies psi, the mapping psi is homomorphism, okay, of capital F of x to capital F of a, the field. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now, in the step number 2, we have to prove that the kernel of psi, okay, as a mapping है कि नहीं psi, the kernel of psi is nothing but capital V, okay, and which is equal to ideal generated by P of x. What is the definition of kernel? कर्नल, एखाद्या मॅपिंगचं कर्नल कसं काढतो आपण?
Elements that maps to identity.
Okay, f of x belongs to capital F of x such that psi of f of x, okay, small f of x is equal to, correct, f of x. Okay, हा तुमचा इमेज म्हणजेच काय, f of a, okay, small f of a is equal to कुठे मॅप व्हायला पाहिजे?
Identity.
मॅप व्हायला, आयडेंटिटी, ऍडिटिव्ह आयडेंटिटी. ओके, याची आयडेंटिटी काय? 0. Sorry, 0. Okay, we have to prove that the kernel of psi is equal to V. Now look at here. Since P of A is equal to 0. Okay, हा P of X काय तुमचा minimal polynomial for A. This implies P of A is equal to 0. Okay, why? Give the reason. P of X is minimal polynomial satisfied by A. Okay, so this implies P of X. So the P of A is 0 is the. Okay, this implies P of X belongs to kernel of psi. Okay, so this implies ideal generated by P of X, it's contained in kernel of psi. But kernel of psi कोणाचा सबसेट आहे? Capital F of X. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Ideal generated by P of X. हा सेट कसा दिसतो आपल्याला? P of X into G of X such that G of X belongs to काय असणार हा? Capital F of X. असा आहे हा सेट. Okay. If P of X belongs to kernel of psi, यांचा प्रोडक्ट P of A always 0 असणार. P of A into G of A. ओके, काही काय असेल ना तो G of A, काहीच येईल, त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल? पूर्ण 0 येईल. म्हणजे यातला प्रत्येक एलिमेंट कशात चालतोय? कर्नल ऑफ psi. This implies ideal generated by P of X is contained in kernel of psi. Okay, and kernel of psi is what? एखादा कर्नल त्याचा डोमेनचा सबसेट असतो त्याच्या. ओके, इथे डोमेन कोण आहे? त्या फंक्शनचा डोमेन capital F of X. Okay, now ideal generated by P of X, it's contained in kernel of psi, and kernel of psi is contained in F of X. As, look at here, kernel of psi is not equal to capital F of x. Why? Since kernel of psi does not contain does not contain constant polynomials. For example, if f of x is equal to constant polynomial 1. Okay, so this implies f of a is equal to 1. Okay, which is not equal to 0. This means this f of x1. Okay, this 1 is not belongs to what? Kernel of
Kernel of psi.
psi. Okay, this is the reason. So kernel of psi is not equal to f of x, and the ideal generated by p of x, okay, is what? Maximal ideal. Maximal ideal of capital F of x. Okay, ideal generated by p of x is what? The minimal polynomial. Minimal असल्यामुळे ideal generated by p of x is irreducible झाला, irreducible, and ideal generated by irreducible polynomial is maximal ideal. Okay, by the definition of maximal ideal, if this p of x is the maximal ideal, then there does not exist any ideal in between p of x and f of x. Okay, but here the kernel of psi p of x is properly contained in kernel of psi, and kernel of psi is contained in f of x. Okay, जर का हा एक्झिस्ट झाला आणि हा मॅक्झिमल आयडियल असेल. Okay, suppose kernel of psi exists and the p of x ideal generated by p of x is maximal ideal. Either this kernel of psi is equal to p of x, or this kernel of psi is equal to ideal generated by p of x, which is equal to v. But here the kernel of psi is not equal to capital F of x. Okay, hence the kernel of psi must be equal to what? Ideal generated by p of x. Any doubt? So this
No,
implies
sir.
kernel of psi is equal to ideal generated by p of x, which is equal to v. Okay, now in the step number third. Okay, in the step number third, by first isomorphism theorem. By first isomorphism theorem of rings. Okay, every homomorphic image of ring R is isomorphic to some quotient ring. Okay, so this is the first isomorphism theorem for ring. Every homomorphic image of ring R is isomorphic to some quotient ring. Now look at here. This is the mapping. F of x is काय तुमचा इंटिग्रल डोमेन. इंटिग्रल डोमेन म्हणजे काय? रिंग आहे. त्याचा होमोमॉर्फिक इमेज काय? हा मॅपिंग कसा आलाय? होमोमॉर्फिक आलाय. So what is the homomorphic image of this one is psi of capital F of x. This is the homomorphic image. Okay, it's isomorphic to some quotient ring. What is quotient ring? This one, capital F of x upon v. Okay. याचा काय? हा मॅप काय येतोय? ओके, कळतोय का? पहा. Every homomorphic image of ring R is isomorphic to some quotient ring. Okay, so by the first theorem of isomorphism, we have psi of capital F of x. Okay, capital F of x is isomorphic to some quotient ring. The quotient ring. ओके, हा कधी जनरेट होतो? हा जर कर्नल असेल तर हा काय होतो? क्वोशंट रिंग एक्झिस्ट होतो, नाहीतर एक्झिस्ट होत नाही तो. ओके, ग्रुप मध्ये काय असायला हवा? नॉर्मल असायला हवा. रिंग मध्ये काय असायला हवा? हा
कर्नल.
कर्नल असायला हवा किंवा मॅक्झिमल आयडियल असायला हवा. आयडियल असेल तर जनरेट होईल. ओके, so here the homomorphic image of f of x is isomorphic to f of x upon v. This is the quotient rule. Okay, give it an equation number star. Okay, or 1. Now in the step number 4, to prove that psi of f of capital F of x, okay, integral is equal to f of a. म्हणजे काय प्रूव्ह करते सांगा मला? ऑन्टोनेस प्रूव्ह करते आपण, ऑन्टोनेस. ओके, एव्हरी एलिमेंट ऑफ every f of a, there is a pre-image in capital F of domain. ओके, या मॅपिंगचा तुमचा इमेज हा जो काय मॅपिंग आहे त्याचा पूर्ण मॅपिंग कसा होतोय? मॅप एफ ऑफ ए ला डोमेन होतोय. म्हणजे आपण ऑन्टोनेस प्रूव्ह करतोय. Look at here. In step number 4, if we prove that this psi of f of x is equal to f of a, now the putting the value in equation 1, we get f of a is isomorphic to capital F of x upon v. Okay. From star or from 1, as f of x upon v is a field. Okay, is a field. This implies psi of capital F of x, okay, is also what? Also a field. Why? Because this one is isomorphic to psi f of x. Okay, हा field असेल तर हा field असेल, हा ring असेल तर हा ring असेल. Okay, so this implies the field असेल तर काय असणार? Psi of capital F of x is a subfield of capital F of A. Okay, so this implies psi of f of x, okay, it's contained in what? Capital F of A, the field f of A. Okay, now we have to claim that this f of A is contained in psi of capital F of x. Okay, if we prove, then from these two statements, these are equal. Okay, so for this, we will prove that psi of, okay, capital F of x contains both capital F and small f. Okay, so as x belongs to capital F of x, okay, this is the polynomial belongs to f of x. This implies what is psi of x? तुमचा हा f of x काय आहे? x आहे. what is psi of x? त्याच्यावर psi आपल्याला केलं काय येईल?
F of A.
f of a नाही ना, तुमचा f of x is equal to काय? x. f of a काय येईल?
A.
a. ओके, म्हणजे f of a म्हणजे काय येतं? psi of x काय येईल? a. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this implies a belongs to psi of, okay, याच्या इमेज मध्ये काय येतो? आहे psi of capital F of x. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, if we prove this f belongs to psi of f of x, then we get f and a both are contained in psi of f of x. Okay. Now, as if suppose alpha belongs to capital F, okay, then alpha belongs to capital F of x. Any doubt? Constant polynomial.
No, sir.
Okay, then psi of alpha is equal to f of alpha असं तुमच्या भाषेत सांगितलं. ओके, f of a ना, सॉरी तुमचा f of x काय आहे? अल्फा. ओके, f of a काय येईल मग? अल्फाच येईल ना, ती x नाहीच ही टर्म. मग f of a काय येईल तुमच्या इथे? अल्फा. एनी डाऊट?
No, sir.
Okay, constant polynomial इथे x हा टर्मच नाही आहे तुमच्या constant polynomial. So we get psi of alpha is equal to alpha. Okay, so this implies psi of alpha is equal to alpha. Okay, हा इमेज मध्ये गेला, इमेज सेट मध्ये, कोडोमेन मध्ये गेला तुमच्या रेंज सेट मध्ये. ओके, सो धिस अल्फा बिलॉंग्स टू व्हॉट? psi of capital F of x. रेंज मध्ये गेलाय तुमचा. ओके, हा रेंज सेट आहे तुमचा. ओके, now here any arbitrary element alpha belongs to F, then alpha belongs to the range set. Okay, so this implies F is also contained in psi of F of x. Okay, so this implies from this one A belongs to psi of f of x, alpha belongs to psi of f of x. So this implies f of A, the field f of A is contained in psi of f of x. Okay, give it as an equation number third. Okay, have 2 there. Give it as an equation number 2. So from 1, from 2 and third, from 2 and third, what we have? F of A is equal to psi of f of x. Okay, now putting the value of this one in equation number 1. So from 1, okay, we get psi of f of x. This one is isomorphic to what? Capital F of x upon v. Okay, and this one is nothing but what? Capital F of a. Okay, so this implies f of a is isomorphic to f of x divided by p. ओके, तर या हा थेरम प्रूव्ह करण्यामागचं कारण काय? आपल्याला हा फील्ड कसा दिसेल, कसा असेल हे इमॅजिन करता नाही येणार आपल्याला. ओके नाही, अवघड जाईल. कॅपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स अपॉन व्ही. मग हा एफ ऑफ एक्स अपॉन व्ही हा कोणाला असेल? आयसोमॉर्फिक एफ ऑफ ए. ओके, ह्याचं काही जो काही नेचर असेल तोच नेचर कसा असेल याचा असेल. ओके, आता मग सांगितल्याप्रमाणे काय असेल? आर ऑफ आय is equal to C is isomorphic to what? R of x upon
X
ideal
square plus
generated by
1.
x plus 1. ओके, या टर्म ह्या फील्ड मधल्या एखाद्या एलिमेंटची ऑर्डर सांगा म्हणण्यापेक्षा तो आपल्याला हार्ड जाईल, अवघड जाईल सांगण्यासाठी. ओके, मग आपण काय करणार? 1 करस्पॉन्डन्स कोण आहे तो एलिमेंट शोधून त्या एलिमेंटची ऑर्डर आपण काढू शकतो पटकन. ओके, q root 2 is isomorphic to q of x divided by ideal generated by x squared minus 2. Okay, q of I is ideal generated by q of x ideal generated by x squared plus 1. Okay, such example upon next lecture level. Okay, for today it is sufficient. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
No,
Okay, wait a minute.